Hello! If you have also broken your favorite Sony MDR-1000X or WH-1000XM2 wireless headphones, then today I will show you how to replace and repair the slider outer and inner cover on Sony headphones. To make this headphone fix, it is important that the headphones are currently working and the cable is not damaged. Once you are sure that the headphones are working, all you need to do is find the replacement slider cover parts online and order them. If you don't have the damaged outer part, you can order just the inner cover or vice versa. These replacement parts are not cheap, but it's better than buying new headphones. If you don't want to spend $50 on replacement covers, you can just glue broken parts. See my previous videos for how to glue the plastics on your headphones. The first task is to bend the broken hinge so that the two small Phillips screws become visible. Unscrew the two screws, but don't lose them as you will need them for the new parts. Remove the broken cover part and unscrew these two screws as well. But it is important not to mix up these two screws with the first two screws you unscrewed, as they are a little different. Then try to push the guitar picks or a plastic card between these two headphone parts to separate them from each other. Then pull the headband part out of the damaged outer cover. As you can see, the replacement part has no plastic tape layer inside. Glue these plastics onto the new part. Then put the headband inside the new cover. Then turn down the other side in the same way. Then unscrew the hinge side screw and slightly upwards the hinge part. Try to put on the new replacement part. It may take a little finger skill, but watching how I do it, I hope you manage to do it. Press the hinge part back together and screw the bolt back in. Center the new part and screw it to the hinge, but with the correct screws. Straighten the hinge, adjust the cable a little and press the two parts together. It's really that easy. Then reassemble the hinge and screw in the last two screws. Then do the same with the other side. Follow the steps I do, and you will be able to fix your favorite Sony headphones. It is important to take things slowly in this process, and if some parts don't fit, don't use a lot of force, because remember that these are all plastic parts. If you manage repairing your Sony headphones, then this is the result. Your Sony headphones are fixed, new slider covers are put on, and your headphones look like new, and will last for a while again. If you have any suggestions or questions, feel free to post them below this video, but for now I wish you the best of luck.